Okay, so this one is looking at 2.2 question, reorder each list in the table below if necessary so that the atoms or ions in it are listed in an order of decreasing size. So we want to go from large to small. That's our plan. Okay, so we need to understand a little bit. So I'm going to bring in a periodic table with some trends on it. So as we go across the a period, it'll be largest on the left, and then it gets smaller. And as we go down a group, it gets bigger. So we'll go here, and here. So it's bigger. All right, so if I look at this, our first example is argon, chlorine, chlorine. So which is the biggest? So argon and chlorine, chlorine. So as we go across, chlorine is going to be bigger because it's to the left of argon. So we'll be chlorine, and then we'll have to put in chlorine minus as well. We'll figure that out in a minute, in argon. Okay, so if we have a chlorine and it has a 0 charge on it, so it'll be this radius. If we have an extra electron, it'll be bigger because there's more it has to fit outside a little bit. So this will be larger. Okay, so now we can have large, so chlorine minus, chlorine nothing, and argon is the smallest. So that's our first one. Okay, so we're going to go again from large to small. So our radius here is going from a large size to a smaller size. Bigger here. All right, so the next one is rubidium, cesium, and lithium. So rubidium is right here, cesium is right down there, and lithium is up here. So we're going down a group, so they get larger as we go down. So the lithium is going to be the smallest, and then cesium is the largest, and then rubidium is the third. So we'll go. Lithium is the smallest, and then rubidium. Okay, lithium is the smallest, and then we go. What's the next larger one? That's can't read that. It's rubidium, and then cesium is the largest. So the largest to the smallest. This is our order. Okay, so that's down a group. Go from smaller to large. We do the third one. So we're going to go from big size to little, and then we go from this size to that, and then this gets bigger and bigger. Okay, so now we're going to look at sodium and magnesium. So sodium is right here. So we're going to go across a group. So if we have sodium and magnesium. So since we're going across, not across a group, but across a period, we're going to go from large to small. So sodium would be the largest, and then magnesium and magnesium plus. So magnesium without any charge will be this size. And if it's magnesium without the electron, so we lost electrons, so it'll be smaller. So we're going to go sodium is the biggest, magnesium, and then magnesium plus. Okay. So that's the rationale. Let us know if you have any questions.